In a sensational case, a 25-year-old woman in Delhi kidnapped a 2-month-old baby boy for human sacrifice for reviving her dead father. Delhi police rescued the boy safely within 24 hours on Friday and arrested the kidnapper Shweta. Deputy Commissioner of Police Southeast Isha Pandey said on Saturday. Analysis of CCTV footage during the investigation played a vital role in solving the sensational infant kidnapping case. The infant was kidnapped from Delhi's Garhi area on Thursday at around 4 p.m., while a team of Amar Colony Police Station of Southeast District rescued him safely from the kidnapper at Kotla Mubarakpur area within 24 hours on Friday, the DCP added. The accused disclosed during sustained interrogation that she had kidnapped the boy for human sacrifice to revive her father, who died last month, Isha Pandey said. The DCP said that the accused Shweta disclosed her father had died in October, and she came to know during his cremation that human sacrifice of an infant of the same gender could revive her father and bring him to life.